Good day, dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn MicrosoftWord for beginners, especially the shortcuts involved, and how these shortcuts will help us in operating our system, in everything we do in our system. Stay tuned and do well to subscribe. Thank you. However, we are going to start from the control keys of control plus alphabet, from alphabet A to alphabet Z, and what their functions are all about. So as you can see on my system, we have control plus A. And what is the function of control plus A? And when you see control plus A written in a text or in any document, it doesn't mean that you need to click on control and also search for the plus key. No. All it means is that you click on control and then hold it, then click on the next command, which is either A, any of them. So control plus A, let's check what it is all about. Control A. Control A is to highlight all the text, all the documents. But sometimes you mustn't use control A. You want to highlight few contents, not all. So all you need to do is to hold onto your function key. Hold your function key, or left click and hold, and then drag to any position of your choice. Select any content of your choice. Okay. Control Z. Now this Control Z is to undo, but we are not into Control Z nor Control V. Alright. There are other ways to make these selections, but we shall see that in the next video. Now, Control B is to bold. But I want you to know that while using a MicrosoftWord, and not just a MicrosoftWord also, while operating your system, before you effect something or any text or fonts, what you want to do, it is necessary to sometimes highlight. Highlight means selecting the particular content, the particular object you want to edit or maybe make effect on it. So let's check. We want to bold this first line, but let me just click on Control B. No, Control B, and it is not, nothing is happening. It is not bolding. So let me just select on this first line and click on Control B. You can see. So you can keep your arrow at this borderline and select any line of your choice. So this is it. Control B. Okay, Control C. Control C is to copy. To copy the particular content which you have highlighted. So that is to say that you don't just copy without highlighting, just as I earlier said. So Control C. I want to copy this content. Control C. And I want to paste it in another line, or maybe I want to duplicate it as much as I would. So Control V, enter Control V, enter Control V. Sorry, Control V. Okay, you can see. So I want you to know that once you have selected it, it is in your system already. Even if I minimize now to go to any other platform, to maybe WhatsApp, to paste this or whatsoever, I might want to go, just press Ctrl V, any platform of my choice, I would see it there. Okay, now we have Ctrl D. Ctrl D is to effect our fonts, make changes. Let's just click on Ctrl D. Ctrl D. Now you can see this table will come out. Now you can select the text size, font size, font style, style. You can see. So you can edit your text here and then click on OK. But we don't need it now. Now Control E is to center align. Now let's just say that my cursor is here and I want to align this text to be at the center. So all I need to do is just to click on Control E. But I want to align all the content, I mean my document, everything now to be at the center. All I need to do, Control A, Control E. and you can see. Okay, back to formation. Okay, we have Control F. Control F, as it is written here, to find. Control F is to find a particular word. 1,000 pages of a document, you are looking for a particular word. Let's just say we are looking for it. I will search for it, and let's find. It will show me the word with it. Let's find. It will keep on showing me all my word containing it. Next, until you find. Okay, now it has exhausted all the it in this document. Okay, that is for Control F. Control G. Control G means to go. Control G. Okay, enter the particular page where you wish to go. Page 350, page this is of scrolling up, down, all the rest. Just enter the particular page and click on next. Okay, we have Control H. Control H is to replace. Okay, I want to replace all the it in this document with let me say do. Okay, Control H, and here is it. I want to replace it with do. Next, find. Okay, replace. Okay, now replace all. Okay, you can see all it in this document are now replaced with do. Okay, undo. Now we have Control J. Control J is also an alignment shortcut, just like Control E. Control J is to justify. Control A, Control J. It is to justify the document. Okay, let's say, for you to see what it means to justify, because this document before now is already justified. Now let's say Control E and now Control J. This is it. Okay, next Control K. Control K is to insert hyperlink. Now there is a word you wish to, or a sentence you wish to link an address to it. So clicking on Control K, it will show you select the document where the text is being found, or where else someone can find the text, and then add your address. Now we have Control L. Now we have Control L. Control L is to align, just like Control E, Control J. Control L is to align to left. Now Control A, Control L, it is now aligned to the left. Maybe you will say that there is no effect on this now, but let me just show you. Control E, now Control L. But is there any difference between Control L and Control J? Yes, certainly. This is Control J, Control L. You can see the difference. Okay. Now we have Control M. Control M is to indent a paragraph. Control M is to indent a paragraph. Okay. This is just the action. Control M, indent a paragraph. Okay, we have next Control N. Control N is to open a new interface, or maybe a new platform, or maybe a new word for your continuous creation. So we just click on Control N. This is the new. So here is the new, and here is my previous document. Okay, now we have Control O. Control O. Now Control O is to open an already existing file, to copy something and paste into the Word where you are creating your document already. So you need to just select one of the documents and click on OK, open. So we have Control P. After creating your document and you wish to print, you wouldn't want to go looking for menu, looking for print, menu, looking for print option. Just click on Control P. Control P, and here is a print option. Only here, then I can select the paper type, how I would want it to print, and all the rest. Okay, we have Control Q. Control Q is to quit the environment. Control Q. Control Q is to quit the environment. Now it will ask you, do you really want to quit this document? And you can, and if it's the changes which you have made in the document, you can decide to say save and do not save. Okay, I don't want. So we have Control R before Control S. We have Control R. So Control E, Control J, Control L, and Control R. For me, they are all for aligning your document to your choice. So now let's say Control A, Control R. You see, that is aligned to the right. Control L, left. Okay. Now we have Control S, that is to save, as it is written here. Control S. So in our next video, we shall also see how to save our document. But for now, to get to this environment, to this save option, all you need to click is Control S. Next, we have Control T. Here, Control T is to open new tabs in browsers. So just as I said, you are learning the shortcuts in MicrosoftWord, not just for MicrosoftWord environment. It is for the universal purpose of operating your system. So supposing you are in environment, or let me say Safari, or maybe Opera Mini, or whatsoever, you want to open a new tab, all you need to click is Control T, and you open a new tab. But this MicrosoftWord is not a browser. Okay, we have Control U. Control U is to underline. Either you select a particular content, a particular sentence, or all the documents. Control U. Control U is to underline. Control U, remove the underline. Okay, we have Control V. Initially, I applied Control V. Control V is to paste what you have copied. Let's say I copy this line, Control C, and I wish to paste it, Control V. Again, Control V. Okay, undo, Control Z, Control Z. Okay, we have Control W. Control W, just like quit, is to close. Close and quit are almost the same thing, but you use quit when your MicrosoftWord is malfunctioning. You would want to quit. Okay, close, Control C, Control W. So Control W, it asks the same question and you make your choice. So we have Control X. Control X is to cut. Cut is almost the same thing with copy, because they have one attribute or one character, which is to be in the system after it is applied. So, but the difference is that while you cut, it disappears, and while you copy, it remains. So let's say I want to Control X, it disappears, but I want to paste it again. I'll click on Control V, it appears. Okay, now Control Y. Control Y is to redo what you have done, while Control Z is to undo what you have done. Okay, let's understand this now. I want to go back to where I have, before now, when I applied Control S, so I'll have to click on Control Z. But I want to go back to, where that X, Control X option is. Before now, before I applied Control Z, I click on Control Y. So thank you, dear friends, and if you like my video, do well to subscribe, share, and comment for more videos as regards to MicrosoftWord tutorial and every other cyber necessity. Thank you.